Okay, I'll start department wise now. Okay, now we'll start from spinning examples. In spinning mill, okay, the spinning process, the preparatory process starts with the mixing. Mixing is the first stage. Mixing, blow-room, carding, drawing, combing, ring frame, winding. First department is called mixing. In mixing, what is there? Fibers, the lump of the bales are opened, the highly packed bales are opened. Okay, that is, I'm not talking about the removal of the colors, content, removal of the unwanted material, that is different. I'm talking about the humidity. Why humidity is required in mixing? In mixing, when the bales are required number of bales are opened and spread for some hours is required, so that whatever the fibers is there, that's open fibers are there, open lumps are there. If it is under the condition of the humidifications, the fibers get little bit strengthened, okay, the moist go and enter the fiber morphology. Okay, the moist present in the maintained control in the department, mixing department, that's entered the fibers. Okay, that will help in making the sheet of the lap, and also whatever the making the sheet of the lap, and also it will get strengthened. Okay, more than that, here in this case, the breaking, if fully dry is there, and the formation of the lap, that is grams per square meter, the lap weight may vary. Those are other technical factors will come into pictures. The humidification, if it is humidification is varied, not controlled, the weight per square meter or the grams is there. Whatever the uniformity in the leveling of the lap, okay, that will change. That is change not directly or indirectly. It is one of the factors. Okay, blow-room factor. In blow-room, especially blowing of the air, breaking of the lumps, okay, removal of the dust, and blowing of the fibers to the next machines. Okay, these are all the things will be there. That humidification is playing an important role in clubbing of the fiber. When the open fibers are there, by blowing or crushing or throwing or breaking, after finally it is coming to the lattice, what is called lattice, okay, it is coming to lattice and getting rolled in the sheet form. That is required humidifications to give to the fiber, not only to have strength to the, not only to give the strength to the fiber, to give the strength to the lap. It is playing an important role, humidifications. Okay, and okay, now hope you have understood on humidification. For better knowledge, for more information, please refer textile books. Okay, many other sources are there. Okay, you can search. Okay, we'll come to know the more on humidifications. Okay, hope you understood. Okay, I'm closing this topic. Please subscribe to my channel Guru Veeranna tutorials, especially exclusively for textile technology and fashion technology. Those who are not yet subscribed, please subscribe and share to your friends, those who are interested in this line, textile and fashion line, and like it. Okay, and click the icon button in the mobile below this video, so that all my videos, whenever I am releasing the video weekly, that will come into your inbox, so that you will aware that Veeranna Textile has released new videos. Okay, thank you very much.